been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle. Wait a minute, work hard for the car, so that's why it's all tinted. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle.
Back to the basics, been a lot of things, but I never been basic. Running around faces, came from the basement, never been shameless. So I got stay in the streets, get dangerous, so I might bang it. Don't like hanging, let's see family, please don't claim it. Like what you claiming, what you saying, what you bout and what you need. I'm at the house, ain't at the club, I'm really.
Guys, I should really consider quitting this whole YouTube and this whole vlogging thing. Let me explain. So yesterday was the first time I got to hang out with my buddy Jimmy in over 2 months. So we got together with some friends, like the YouTuber I'm trying to be. I'm vlogging the whole day. We're installing new car parts on his car, and half of the vlog I filmed in S&Q. What? Which is slow motion and unusable. Holy moly. What the f? Half of the vlog wasted. Which is why we have this intro here today. Jimmy finally made it back home. He has some new car parts for us to install. So he only comes back home to hang out with us so we can install car parts for him. And then he leaves again because he met some girl in Orlando and now he's gone all the time. So yesterday we got together at the shop and we installed Jimmy's new diffuser. And yes, he already had a diffuser, but we're installing a brand new Aerofab diffuser, which looks freaking amazing. And honestly, I think I might need that too. And yesterday also got me thinking whether or not I bought the right car. I'm starting to have doubts. So Jimmy had his diffuser shipped to my house and it was a super nice day outside. So I thought it'd be a really good day for both of us to drive our Supras over to the shop and, you know, just enjoy the weather. Well, the diffuser didn't fit in the Supra. And let me show you why. Because both me and Jimmy got the Studio RSR cage in here. And nothing barely fits in the trunk now. So we went to plan 2. Maybe it'll fit in the S2K. Well, obviously it wasn't gonna fit in the trunk. So I had the smart idea of putting the top down and just putting it in the passenger seat and drive it all the way there. That also didn't work. So I was forced to drive the Broister, the Forester, the Bro Forester. But being that it was a very nice day outside, I've been waiting to drive the Supra because it's probably been a month. I bought this car, forgot about this car, and now I still haven't driven it. Thankfully, halfway through the day, I realized I had my camera in slow motion mode, so at least we got to save the second half of the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Press the like button for me, please. I need it. And speaking of 2 Supras, I hope that caught it. Shameless plug, No Ends first drop shirts are still available. Only limited supply left. Super, super comfy, boxy fit, No Ends Motorsport. Logo in the front. Jimmy's and my Supra in the back. And then we have the classic E30 shirt. Go support the channel so that I can buy a car that actually fits a diffuser in it.
Tryna be here for a while and a good time. When we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, yeah, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine, good wine. Tryna be here for a while and a good time. When we ain't stressed out.
So Jimmy had a little oopsies a little while back. These fins cannot be replaced. So we're gonna be installing a new one. And it's gonna look a lot different too. Jimmy put a magnet because he stripped his drain bolt the first day he did an oil change.
And now we're all contemplating using this system.
That was honestly kind of fucking cool.
Action. Alright, today guys, we're throwing this screw diffuser on this A90 Supra.
Bro, get that shit back. Oh my god.
You know?
Jimmy's swapping out his Varus diffuser for the Aerofab diffuser, which honestly the hardware was much nicer. It makes the diffuser easier to install. I also like that these sides come all the way out to the end. And Jimmy Bought some RM. I don't even
RE Mamma Mia RX-7 spats.
RM Mamma Mia.
Yeah, just a throwback to JDM.
Hey, Mamma Mia! Mamma Mia! Very nicely done by Aerofab. Alright, so Jimmy had this great idea of putting the Hey, Mamma Mia's rear spats on. And now we're trying to fit it on, but it's not really flowing well here. Unless you literally cut this and put it like this. No? Yeah, it's not going?
Oh, they look dope.
I saw the vision though.
Yeah.
I saw the vision, I thought
because I
it
wanted
was
to come
cool.
out.
Hey, we got Duncan first off. So yeah. But we finished installing the diffuser on Jimmy's car and did a quick oil change. And now we're getting the E30 that Addison just bought to see what's wrong with it and what we need to get in order to get this shit running. Will she start?
Oh no, battery's cooked.
Push it very smoothly, hold on.
I know.
We gotta push it in the shop.
Really is looking like $1,000.
And she's in. Good vlog, by the way. If you've never watched this, one of the best ones.
You know what's cool, Vin?
What's that?
You have that no ends E30 shirt,
Oh.
and now we have an any
Oh shit!
30, bro.
I was trying to think about what we were talking about.
Yeah.
Damn. Dude, we gotta paint the E30 British Racing green now. British Racing. Fuck you. This is sick. What the heck? I didn't even know. This wrinkly ass shirt. What the fuck?
I just need it for
Sick.
So I noticed when we were getting it out of Mark's driveway that the exhaust hangers are custom made by bike locks and universal band clamp.
I think it's, you know, a project. It's one more car than me, so I think that's a win.
Big dub, big dub.
What the heck are we doing here? Yo, those are some nice DRLs. Where do you get them?
Noends.com.
Where do you get them, Jimmy?
No ends. Wait, no-ends.com. We could get
That's probably good. Oh yeah, that's probably good. We should do a cinematic. Literally, Duncan pulls up, knocks on the door, right? Yo, I'm here.
And then I'll open it.
You crank it open, but then you see like Duncan's like pulling in his car, and you back pan. Nobody sees none of the cars.
What?
And he's just like,
Well, I need the 20.
you want it to go up further.
no, mate, don't make it perfectly parallel.
Okay.
Yeah. I would say like pull in and just like angle this way if you can. And then Duncan could just pull up in the rear.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle. Wait a minute, work hard for the car, so that's why it's all tinted. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle.
Dude, it's so real. We got everybody's car pulled in at the shop, and it looks so freaking cool having everybody's car here. Yep, but we're done for the day. We got the diffuser all installed. Too bad the Mamma Mia spats didn't fit on. I thought it would have looked really cool, but the vision was there, it's just gonna get executed. If anybody needs their car worked on in the Northwest, hit up any.motorsports on Instagram. They do everything. We do everything here.
That's what she said.
I'm gonna be taking off real soon.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Twice? Oh my gosh. Saw you twice in a weekend.
I know, that is
is the
pretty
win.
rare for us, isn't it?
And then, what do you think about Jimmy making back?
I'm so happy Jimmy's here, but we all know what's coming.
Dude, it's all right. We'll see him on Viet's vlogs. Damn, I need to get a functional diffuser on now too. This year. Damn, Jimmy, clean your wheels. Damn. Where's the stickers? The DRLS, you know where to get them. I gotta go and be a dad. All right, bye everybody.
Peace.
Good hanging.
Good hanging.
Shawns. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Super random. I'm just gonna share it anyways. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Pursue your passion, chase your dreams to no ends. Bye.